Attention, please. Well, we normally say Akwaba. It means welcome. My name is Kofi because I was born on a Friday. Today is my day. And you are most welcome to the memorial grounds for our first president, who is called Kwame Nkrumah. The significance of this memorial to our history is that during our colonial era, those grounds used to be a field for playing polo by the British. So it was called the Old Polo Grounds, which was meant for only whites. Natives or blacks were not allowed to come here. So eventually, when it was due for us to get independence, symbolically, he chose the same grounds to deliver his independence speech, more or less to spite the British. So that's the importance of this memorial to our history. So the spot where his statue stands is where he delivered his independence speech on the eve of 6 March 1957. And at that time, Ghana was the first black nation south of the Sahara to have done that. So among the things he said on that day was that the independence of Ghana would be meaningless unless it was linked with a total liberation of the African continent. And that it was time to prove to the whole world that given the opportunity, the black man was capable of managing his own affairs, make mistakes, and ready to correct them. So amongst the people he invited to witness our independence declaration was Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He was somewhere in the crowd here when he delivered his speech. It's actually a bronze statue of him molded in Italy. And his right hand stretching out is actually expressing the slogan of a political party he formed, which is called CPP, or Convention People's Party. And their slogan is forward ever, backwards never.
That's it. Again,
Forward ever, backwards never. So his right hand stretching out is also expressing the slogan of his party. Now, right around us are other statues blowing horns, or the horn blowers. These ones are expressing an aspect of our traditional culture, especially in the southern part of Ghana. When there's a festival or a big occasion and the chief or the king is coming, we have like praise singers leading him, blowing the horns to announce his arrival. And similarly, when a prominent person dies here, usually the horn is blown to announce the person's death. So the same thing is being done for him over here. But the only difference is that they blow the horns in real life whilst standing. But here they are kneeling down because they are giving him reverence or respect. And when you count the horn blowers too, we have 7 of them on each side of the walkway. And to us, the number 7 represents the perfection of creation. It's biblical to us. Now, right on the extreme ends are other. On the right hand side is someone playing something like the kora, and on the left hand side is someone playing what we call the talking drum. Now, he was one leader who believed strongly in the unity of his people, irrespective of their tribe, such that he established a lot of secondary school with boarding houses, such that people from different parts of the country would always try and blend so that we get to know each other. So what you have on the right hand side is the northern culture. and the one on the left-hand side is the Southern culture. What more or less he stood for as the leader of Ghana.
Question. So it sounds like he was trying to advance and promote Pan-Africanism.
Yes.
Not just one country first or only, but everyone. An inclusion of all the countries.
All people. Yeah. All people. So what he started locally was what more or less was extended internationally. From Ghana and then to the continent of Africa. So let's take some time to take some few photographs that we can continue in the mausoleum where he's buried, and obviously we are going to have a libation being poured by our mother. So when we get there, we're going to do that. So let's take some few photographs and we can continue in the mausoleum.
Family, this is it right here. This is the memorial. We can give you a nice glimpse of both. Yes, family, Bomani time alive in Ghana. Come to the motherland, reconnect to the roots, and let's build a strong nation together. Forward ever, backwards never.